Thank you so much for clicking on this YouTube video. It means a lot to me, I really do. In today's video, this is the look that we're going for. It's a Valentine's Day pink glitter halo eye. I don't normally look like this. I'm looking a little bit crazy right now. I tried new eyelashes and let's just say, spoiler alert, I don't like them. Yeah, so this is the finished makeup look and I hope that you like it. I made a mess of glitter everywhere. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel to get more makeup content. I have a purple monochromatic look going up next week because it was supposed to go up this week, but Valentine's Day. Let's get on with the video. Hi, happy Valentine's Day. So this is going to be my Valentine's Day look. So what I'm thinking, so this is glitter. I'm thinking we use the pink glitter on this makeup look. So I have my base done. I'm just gonna go straight in with the eyes. So I think I'm gonna take this fluffy brush. I'm using this Beauty Glaze eyeshadow palette. This pink here. The reason why I'm looking over here is because my mirror is over here. This fluffy brush. This color up here. Blend out the edges. I like to have a very blended look. I like everything to be blended perfectly. And I know most people it's like that, but I do know some people that just prefer to have lines. But that's not me. So now what I'm doing, where we blended out that pink, we lost some of the pigment, so I'm just gonna go back in and just put that pigment right back on. I'm gonna do that off camera so it doesn't take forever. Now that I have the pink put back on, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take this kind of flat brush. I'm gonna take this red here and I'm going to put it on the outside and the inside, but leaving the middle out, stamping it on. When I was younger, I used to wear red and pink eyeshadows all the time. Someone told me that it looked like I had pink eye, so I stopped wearing them, and I haven't really worn them since. This is me showing that person that you can use pink and red eyeshadows without having it look like pink eye. So now that I have the color on there, I'm just using windshield wiper motions to blend the color into the pink. I'm gonna take what's left on the brush, go over the middle, but only on the top. So now it's more like that. I'm gonna go do this eye and then I'll be back. So now that we have this, I'm going to put a little bit of concealer in the back of my hand. That was way too much. This is a e.l.f. concealer brush. It's really tiny. I'm gonna put some concealer on the brush. Like this. And now I'm gonna go do this on this eye because I can't do that on camera. So this is what I have with the concealer right now. I'm gonna take this angled brush and the same red go under the eye. But once again, trying to avoid the middle. If you get any fallout on your face, just take a big fluffy brush and brush it away. That's what I do. So now that we have this done, I'm gonna put a little bit more concealer on the back of my hand and the same little brush, and I'm gonna put the concealer in the middle under as well. I get asked a nice bit how long it takes for me to film, and I honestly gotta say not that long. Where I do my base off camera, all I really come on camera for is the eyes and like face makeup and the lips. Now that that's done, I want to put like a light pink on top just to set it. I want to put glitter on top and I don't want it just to be white underneath. I want it to have some color. Flat e.l.f. brush. Same pink as before. So I'm just patting it on. So that's it for eyeshadow right now. This is what we have. I'm gonna take my eyelash glue and put a little bit on the back of my hand because I don't have glitter glue. I have this, I don't know, generic eyeshadow sponge that comes with every set. Pat the glue on my eyelid, but only in the spot where I put the concealer, because that's where we're gonna put the glitter. I'm gonna pick glitter up on the sponge, put that on my eye. I can feel it falling on my face. I just take the big fluffy brush and brush away any glitter that fell on my face, okay? I'm gonna do this eye off camera. So this is what we have. I really like it. Okay, so now I'm gonna do the rest of my face. I just wanna let the glitter set for a second before I put on the eyelashes, so that's why I'm just gonna go do my face right now. This is the e.l.f. bronzing quad in golden. This glitter is probably gonna be a part of me for the rest of my life now. Whoa. I was just gonna say I don't like to do harsh contour, but that looks pretty harsh there on camera. It looks okay in real life, I promise. The same brush that I've been using all throughout this video. I'm just gonna blend everything in together. And you know what? It's Valentine's Day. Let's just blush. So I have this e.l.f. palette. It has like 2 parts. I'm going to take the face palette and to take this, I don't know. I really don't know. It's just a big brush. Mix these two. I don't want to do like intense, so I'm using mostly the lighter one. Okay, I look a little bit crazy on this side on camera, but I promise in real life it looks fine. A little on the nose. So now I'm gonna do highlighter. I had an Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighting the Moonchild palette, and it was my favorite highlighting palette. And I moved out of university because I quit university. So I lived at the time 6 hours away. We had to go there, pack everything up, and leave in one day. And I think we had like maybe an hour to do it. Something like that, something weird. I forgot to pack my highlighting palette and they didn't message me or anything. I refused to spend money on a new one. So anyway, I'm going in with my highlighter. If you guys watch my other videos, then you know that I normally use my smaller beauty blender to do this. But I accidentally picked up the wrong one, so that's why it's like a little bit intense. I never do this much to my face, so this is like, to me right now. Kiss eyelashes, this is in the shade Rhapsody. I haven't used these before, so if they're a little bit intense, I don't know. But let's be honest, my face kind of looks crazy right now. I think I'm gonna go do the eyelashes off camera and I'll be back. So this is my opinion right now. So I have the eyelashes on, I put mascara on, and I put my waterline. I have a problem with these eyelashes because I don't do eyeliner. And where I don't do eyeliner, you can see the band from the eyelashes really like prominent. And I don't do eyeliner, so I'm not a fan of these. I got them on, I got them working the best of my ability, and that's it. Now lips, and then the final reveal. For my lips, I'm using the Kylie Jenner Mary Jo K. This is my favorite red lipstick because when I like red lipstick, I don't like orange red. I like blue red, and this is the perfect blue tone red ever. I love it. My only complaint about this red is that it makes your teeth look really yellow. So this is the finished makeup. I'm gonna go do my hair and change, and then I'll be back.
So I'm back. This is what I came up with. I don't know. I tried to curl my hair and then pin some back. I really don't know. I don't know how I feel, but
this is the finished makeup look. Do anyone else have a problem with one eyelash not sticking to their eye? Like, I even went and re-glued this eyelash, but nope. This eye is fine, but this eye... So this is my pink glitter halo Valentine's Day look. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel for more content. I put in makeup videos, and I try to do one a week, but I do work a full-time job, so it's kind of a little bit hard. I do my best. I had another video filmed and ready to go up, but it's Valentine's Day, so I wanted to do a Valentine's Day look first and put this one up before that. So next week will be my monochromatic purple look, but Valentine's Day. Yeah, I just wanted to put that in here. Like I said, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more makeup videos. I'll put the link to my last makeup video down in the description box. I have a new makeup dedicated Instagram, and I'll put that down in the description as well, along with my personal Instagram, my Snapchat. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
This in today's and don't ask about my hair. Eyelashes. Hi. Why does that keep happening? Oh yeah, it's gonna be a mess. I'm gonna be finding glitter on me for days. So sorry. I'll really come on camera. Oh, this is gonna make a mess. Ooh, yep, there it is. And feel it. I'm gonna go do this camera off. Oh no, the glitter tipped over. And